So it seems Call of Duty is having a problem today. So let's try to check it out. So let's search for our Call of Duty. So this is my Call of Duty. Just tap on it. So after tapping on it, it says validating game settings. So as you can see, download configuration failed. Make sure your device is connected to a network and then restart the game. So if you're facing this problem, this is not a big problem or a big deal. What you have to do is first go to your phone menu. Then pull up over here and check whether your data or your Wi-Fi is turned on. So when you turn on your data and it's still not working, just try Wi-Fi. And when you turn on your Wi-Fi and it's still not working, just turn on this airplane mode. When you turn on airplane mode, all your network over here is going to turn off. After that, what you have to do is you have to what? You have to turn it off, and after that you're going to see your Wi-Fi turn on again, and it's going to work perfectly on your device. So let's try to see whether it's going to work perfectly for us. So you go, then you tap on it again. So as you can see, validating game settings. So boom, getting version info. So getting version info is really info. So it's updating and downloading my resources. So as you can see, it's downloading my resources over here, and it's around 468%. So let's wait. It's going to load from 0% to 100%, and boom, after loading the 100%, your game is going to work perfectly. So when you are facing the problem, this means that maybe your data is running low, or where you are, the network is not that strong. So what you have to do is to turn on the airplane mode, then you turn off the airplane mode, and it's going to work perfectly for you. When it doesn't work for you, then please make sure you check your data or your network to see whether you have more internet connection. If maybe your internet has moved or reduced from gig to megabyte, maybe it might be that. So you have to reload or top it up to get it perfect when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile. And it doesn't only happens on Call of Duty, on other games that uses data. It's always happen on it. You have to get a strong Wi-Fi or a strong internet connection before it works perfectly. So put this in mind. This is how to fix it. And if you see that this is really working perfectly for you, please share this video to your friends on other social media platforms, and I think it's going to help on the internet. So please, let's wait at its loading. It said loading, be patient. So let's be patient. Please, as you're watching the video, it said be patient. So let's be patient over here. So it's around 70%, and it's loading. So when it's loading like this, please don't move to other app or move it to other place, or else you're going to start over again. So let's wait. Call of Duty Mobile. So it's almost getting to 100%. So boom, 100% right now. So as you can see, initializing the dynamic download resource. So it's initializing it, and it's going to work perfectly for you. Explore the battle pass each season for the latest premium rewards. So it's loading. It's almost done. Boom. So it says comparing resources. So let's wait. So downloading. So we are going to download 81 megabyte resources, and we are around 40 megabytes. So let's wait for the other 41 megabyte, and it's going to finish right now. Please be patient. Watch it step by step to get more info. No, don't try to skip. Don't try to rush, because when you rush, you're gonna face a problem, or you're gonna miss out something important. So after that, you see there are terms of use and privacy policy. So if you want to read it, just tap on the terms of use, or if you want to read the privacy policy, just tap on it. And after reading everything, just tap on the accept to accept it. So after accepting it, over here you can link your Facebook account to sign up. You can also use your email to sign it up, or if you want to try the game, just tap on the guest and you are going to try. So thank you very much. The problem has been fixed, and okay, let me try to see how it is. So let's wait. It's loading. It's going to finish right now. Yeah. So as you can see, this is my email. So let's tap on it. So if you have a lot of emails, it's all going to pop up. So as you can see over here, create a character. So this is where you have to create a character, give it a name. So name cannot be empty. Okay. So let me type in something over here. Maybe let me type in coffee hub or coffee hub, right? Okay, let me do it coffee. Okay. So nickname already in use. Okay. So let me try to see whether I can add how. This one, not sure. This one, someone is in use of this one. Boom! I said it. So Coffee Hub is the name. So Coffee Hub is the name. So let's try to see whether it's gonna open. I want you guys to see and believe it, so that you guys will also tell your friends, share the video to your friends, so that they will also get an inspiration of it. So guys, as you can see over here, this is it. It's really working perfectly. Do you get me? Yeah, it's really working perfectly over here. You see, you can move like this. You pick up the gun, bro. So that's it. Then you be moving. Do you get what I'm saying? Yeah, it's cool, bro. So this is really perfect. So this is perfect. So you tap to reload. Okay. So it always uses automatically. Then you tap over here. You see? Then you move. Boom. You go to settings. To tap on the settings. So we are now to the advanced level. So advanced mode, you're gonna see arts and also shooting mode. You see, high fire. So So that's simple. So we are now. So you have confirmed it, right? So, guys, this is it. It's working perfectly. So, I don't want to waste time. So, guys, let's end over here. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. See you in the next one. Bye.